Another hard day at the office. Sucker love is heaven sent, and you pucker up our passion spent, and my heart's a tart and your body's rent. My body's broken, yours is bent. Carve your name into my arm. Instead of stressed I lie here charmed, 'cause there's nothing else to do. Yeah, every me and every you. Sucker love, a box I choose, and no other box I choose to use. Another love I would abuse, and no circumstances could excuse. In the shape of things to come, yet too much poison come undone, 'cause there's nothing else to do. Every me and every you, every me and every you, every me. A sucker love who's known to swing, yet prone to cling and waste his things. You pucker up, for heaven's sake. There's never been so much at stake. I serve my head up on a plate. It's only comfort calling late, 'cause there's nothing else to do. Every me and every you, every me and every you, yeah, every me and every you, every me. Like the naked lead the blind, yeah, I know I'm selfish, I'm unkind. Sucker love, I always find someone to bruise and leave behind. All alone in space and time, there's nothing here but what here's mine. Something borrowed, something blue. Every me and every you, every me and every you, yeah, every me, every me and every you, every me and every you, yeah, every me and every you, every me. Double primo.